Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of Cognitive Bomb. I am here to discuss about the tips of how to crack an interview at entry level, the things that we need to keep in mind when we are going for an interview to represent ourselves. As discussed in the previous videos, you have known certain points which you need to keep in mind. For instance, being positive, focusing on quality, getting certifications and skill set to increase your expectation for the company to hire you and get your CV stronger. Now, I'm going to discuss about two very important points which you need to keep in mind as the last part when you are going for an interview. The two most important factors which you need to keep in mind when you go for an interview are flexibility and transparency. The F and T. The flexibility and transparency are the two most important things which the individual who is applying as an aspirant for the job needs to keep in mind, and how they need to place themselves in front of the interviewer is what I'm going to discuss now. Flexibility. The word itself says that we need to be flexible. The flexibility is nothing but making the interviewer understand that you are flexible to work in any kind of environment as long as the job role offers you the suitable resources while working. Flexibility can come in this way. For instance, everybody wants a नॉर्मल शिफ्ट. हम हर कोई चाहते हैं कि जॉब जो हम करें वो 9 to 5 हो या फिर 10 to 6 हो, ऐसे चाहते हैं हम. हमारे दिल में ऐसा ही होता है क्योंकि बचपन से हम यही देखते आए हैं कि नौकरी होगा 10 से 7 या 10 से 6, सैटरडे संडे वीक ऑफ होगा. बट ओवर द ईयर्स एंड आफ्टर द ग्लोबलाइजेशन, the organizations which are multinational corporations work 24/7, and hence they have shifts. And in initial years of your career, if you are opting for a job with rotational shifts and week offs, do not get nervous. बिल्कुल भी मत डरिए. आप बहुत ही अच्छा करेंगे और इस विषय में आप अपना कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप कीजिए और फ्लेक्सिबल बनिए. इंटरव्यूअर को आप ऐसे पेश आए कि if I am hired for the right role, I have no problem in working in rotational shifts and rotational week offs, because I trust the organization and I trust my own skills to deliver at the best possible quality standard. These kind of answers have every point that I have discussed in the previous videos. For instance, it has positivity, it has quality focus, it has that skill set or certification which you possess, and at the same time the flexibility. और इसी बात पे मैं दूसरा पॉइंट जो है ट्रांसपेरेंसी वो डिस्कस करना चाहता हूँ, जहाँ पे ये फ्लेक्सिबल अप्रोच आप इंटरव्यूअर से बोलने के टाइम बिल्कुल भी स्टैमर या हिचकिच मत कीजिएगा. You should face the interviewer with a smile on your face and tell them politely with all your honesty that you are ready for the job, and that is what transparency is all about. Kindly, friends, do focus on flexibility and transparency. आप बेफिक्र रहिए. इनिशियली अगर आप फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं हुए रोटेशनल शिफ्ट्स और वीक ऑफ्स पे, तो आपको बाद में ये नौकरी भारी पड़ सकती है. अगर आप इनिशियली में फ्लेक्सिबल रहे, आई कैन गारंटी यू, ये मेरे साथ भी हुआ है, over the years you will definitely be placed in a job role wherein you will definitely get a fixed shift and a week off. which you will definitely enjoy. इनिशियल स्टेजेस में जब आप इंटरव्यूअर के सामने बैठे हैं तो आप ट्रांसपेरेंसी कैसे दिखाएंगे ये मैं ज़रूर बताना चाहूँगा. आपको अगर कोई सवाल पूछा गया है, you should definitely answer them spot on, looking at the eyes with a smile and politeness. मान लीजिए आपको जवाब मालूम नहीं है, आप बिल्कुल भी एनैक्ट मत कीजिए, स्क्रिबल मत कीजिए, आप उन इंटरव्यूअर्स को ऐसे मत पेश आइए उनके सामने कि आप बहुत सोच रहे हैं, आपको पता नहीं चल रहा है. डोंट डू दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. बी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, पोलाइटली. You can say, suppose if you don't know the answer of a question, you can definitely say that at this point I do not have the answer to that, as I am unaware of it, but I can assure you when I am hired I can definitely provide the certain appropriate solution to this, and I can definitely develop myself to the best possible स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ माइंड. ये आपको बहुत ज़्यादा काम आएगा. मान लीजिए कि आप एक इंटरव्यूअर के सामने बैठे हैं और आपको पूछा गया कुछ ऐसे चीज़ें जो आपको बिल्कुल भी पता नहीं है. मैं फिर से कह रहा हूँ, पोलाइटली स्माइल रखकर आप इंटरव्यूअर को स्पॉट ऑन, राइट एट दैट मोमेंट स्टार्ट सेइंग यू डोंट नो or you know. If you know it, explain it clearly, positively. If you don't know it, tell them, but at the same time do inform them that you will definitely develop your instincts or you will develop your own skill set on this when you are hired. आप hiring पे focus ज़रूर करना, वरना आपके पास एक ऐसा सवाल भी आ सकता है कि okay fine, so you are not having the skill set, so come back to us when you have the skill set because we don't want it at this point. ऐसी चीज़ें आपके सामने आ सकता है. So आप कोई भी एरर या कोई भी ओपन एंड मत छोड़िएगा. These are the things which we need to keep in mind. The 5 most important factors which we should be keeping in mind, I am reiterating again. First thing, positive attitude. Second, focusing on quality. Third, certifications and skill set. Fourth, flexibility. And fifth, transparency. These 5 things should be kept in mind at any point when you are appearing for any interview, especially at this point of time. Thank you for watching, viewers. If you find this video and this small effort positive, and if you find it good to share, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Cognitive Bomb for more future videos regarding various kinds of informations which we need to know, or the various kinds of information related to current affairs or things we need to keep in mind when we present ourselves at different places. I will definitely come back to you with more topics, and your comments will definitely help me. So kindly do comment and give me some more topics, and I will definitely acknowledge that. Please do press the bell icon for future videos and notifications, and thank you very much for watching this. Soon I'll be back with new video and new topic which will definitely help you at any point of time, which even you or me both are not aware of. Thank you very much, friends. Stay safe.